Something fun to look out for this year, that guy right there, Cochran, the 17-year-old, will be making his pro debut today, technically, or tomorrow as I'm recording this, at Foxborough. Off the Husqvarna Instagram saying, quote, "We're excited to announce that Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Racing Factory Racing's Casey Cochran will make his 250SX debut this weekend in Foxborough. The 17-year-old started in 2024 season in Supercross Futures, securing his SX Pro points after Daytona and St. Louis SX, and now he's set to round out the 250 SX East rounds aboard the number 166 FC 250 Rockstar Energy Husky. So who knows? This is kind of it's a neat little thing. I'm obviously going to this race, so if you are or have been to a race, whatever, comment down below. Also, how do you think he's going to do? I mean, obviously being a full-on rookie, 17, right out there, first pro race at least. How well do you think he does? I mean, obviously he's been on the bike, he's been on the team for a while, so this isn't exactly new, but to be racing the quote-unquote big guys, the full pros, or at least the 250 pros, it's kind of neat. I'm excited to see it. Something to look for, something to watch out for. But like I said, comment down below. How do you think he's going to do? Who do you think is going to win? Whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.